Lessons on bullets and numbering. It's just a way of defining a list that you may have inside your document. The first step is you have to select the list that you want bulleted or numbered. So in this document here, I have a list here for check-in procedure where I have a list of instructions right here. So I would select those instructions, and we're going to start with the number. So your number is right here. So I can just choose a different style of number if I'd like. Okay, whatever, it could be a letter, it could be a number, it could be a number with a bracket. So I can say, okay, be like that. So now I've got this numbered list. Simple, easy. Now here, for greet member, there are two things that I want them to remember. So I want these to be like a sub list. So I want that to be 2A and 2B. Very simple to do. Just simply go to this one and hit tab, and it'll know that you want that to be 2A, and then hit tab again, and that one will be 1A and 1B, and then it automatically knows to go to 2 next. If you didn't want to do that, shift tab would bring it back. So tab will indent it and lower it one level, also known as demoting it, and shift tab will promote it, will bring it back. So that's another way of using the number. So remember, you've got the list of things to choose from and your ability to use tab or shift tab to promote or demote. Simple, easy to use, very common. Next are bullets. Bullets are somewhat the same as numbers, except they dress up your document a little bit. The numbers kind of sort of give you the impression that there's a rank, there's an order. This is more important than that, or this precedes that. Whereas a bullet's kind of a general thing. Nothing's necessarily more important than the other. We're just going to dress it up with some bullets. So here I have another list of 4 things here, and right next to numbers, of course, is bullets. Now I can choose the basic circle, or I can ask for something different. There's a short little library of maybe bullets that you might have used recently in here. If you want more, you can go down to define a new bullet, and this will bring you to the same list that you had. If I go to symbol, it'll now go to the same list that I had for symbols before, insert symbol. So I can go down to wingdings once again, or webdings, whatever you'd like, and you can find and use whatever symbol you want from this list, and you can make that your bullets. Now this can really dress up a document nicely depending on what it's for. We don't use them too much in professional documents, but for posters and newsletters and that kind of thing, it does a really nice job. Now understand, when you have a bulleted list and you keep typing, just going to type some junk here, your bullet has a special little feature that your symbol doesn't have. And what it has is it automatically indents the next line in your paragraph so that it doesn't fall under the bullet. If you do that with a symbol, if you just insert a symbol of that computer, this text here would have started over here. It doesn't look as neat, it doesn't look as professional. So a bullet is only for the beginning of the paragraph, and a bullet also indents everything else. Whereas you can put a symbol anywhere. You can put a symbol in the middle of a paragraph. So though they look the same, they don't have the same powers or the same features.